What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We are going to start on the hard body. Well, it's not really much of like starting now. It's been kind of in the process for months and months and months, but as you guys know, we got the wide body kind of on. Still currently in the ABS format, but we are going to get the fiberglass one soon. So today's objective is the rear suspension. Oh, it's bright. This side is very ugly. See how it's, I had to really yank that up with like pliers. It's like double walled, so not exactly the easiest thing to roll. So yeah, that looks like that. This side is actually like an inch lower than the other side. Okay, so you see how there's, like I could put my finger in there. There we go, you see my finger wiggling around? I could slide my whole hand through there. Kind of weird. I need to figure out why that is. Probably some sort of bushing or mount worn out. I also just realized, I didn't know, I have re-drilled hangers. You can tell from this being chopped off. Normally it hangs down quite a bit lower. I didn't know that. I thought I was on stock suspension, or you know, stock hanger position, and it was just like a 2-inch block with monoleaf, but I was wrong. So re-drilled hangers, currently running 3-inch blocks with Beltec shocks all around, and this is where I'm currently sitting. So today I'm going to chop right here, chop that so I'm no longer rubbing. As you can see, it's taking a toll on the tire. Oh my, it's creating its own groove. That was, I don't think that was there. That's supposed to be there, but not that. We're gonna get that cut. And actually, I don't think I ever made kind of an updated setup video. So real quick, I moved into a new house and currently it's a 3-car garage setup. My heater's kind of going crazy right now, so a little bit of noise. Just kind of set up my tool area with like a table thing. Got this office filing cabinet for all my other tools. The main stuff, some LED light from Costco. It's actually nice. It turns on its own, and I don't really have to turn it on or off, so pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. Got my tonal over there to work out. Got a nice, pretty large driveway. Got some space over here. Yeah, it's pretty good. Here's a neighbor's, I actually don't know what that is. Some Hi-Ace or something? I don't know. But yeah, so that's kind of what's been happening. I don't know if I actually posted. I don't think I did. But I was in the process of making like a whole like revamp video on my setup, but then we moved, so that kind of went to shit. But yeah, so now the truck lives in here. I wish these posts weren't right there, but I can understand why they're there. And yeah, okay, so let's get cutting. Need to cut. So this is actually kind of the first time I'm using a cutter to get her done. Alright, well, here we go. Let's get cutting. Don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. Yeah, it do be jagged. VFH. So obviously, you know, rough around the edges, but that's enough clearance. I feel like I should just hit it with like white spray paint just to protect the edges. Yeah, let me do that real quick. Mako. Kidding. Look where I'm starting. Absolutely horrendous. You know what? We can only go from here, right? It's painted. It starts rusting, I'll just keep on cutting. One main issue is that the axle and the frame are becoming great friends, right? Why does this side have maybe a millimeter of space and the other side is like a centimeter of space? Well, that's for another episode. But basically, I want a C-notch. I want to do a C-notch there. Get a C-notch and then eventually do a 4-link.